Imagine you have had a great night's sleep. It was one of those nights, one of those sleeps where you feel completely fresh and good when you wake up. You wake up, get ready, and you have a good hefty breakfast. Then you decide to take a stroll outside. Birds are chirping, it's a great weather, and it's all going good. And now you decide to have just a nice little scroll of LinkedIn or Twitter. You come across some cute good morning posts, some funny videos, some motivational stuff, and you're feeling great. But then it starts. I have won X dollars in bounties, or maybe I have released a new tool, do check it out, or maybe someone has released a new video, or someone just got a new job, or someone just got promoted, or someone just got a six packs, etc. etc. And at this point, the negative and depressing thoughts start to crawl in. You start to feel like you're wasting your time, you're not doing anything, just scrolling away through social media or flirting away with Netflix, and eventually and slowly becoming just a couch potato and nothing else. And the sad part being that you actually know for a fact that you are right, and all of this is somewhat true. You eventually start to curse yourself, question your existence, and start comparing yourself with others, and just overall making the situation even worse than it already is. All of this is happening just within a few minutes, but then suddenly you decide it's enough. You'll start working now, you'll start to learn, you'll start to maybe start doing bounties, or maybe just start eating healthy, start exercising, start learning, and whatever it might be. You tell yourself that you're better than this. You watch a few motivating videos and some of those work hard, dream big kind of things, and just fire up your laptop. But just within a few minutes, you realize that maybe you need water, or you just want to have a quick peek at your smartphone for your super important famous person, and the world might have stopped for the 10 minutes you didn't have a look at your phone. And then some scrolling happens, some texting happens, and then something happens, and it's maybe lunchtime or snack time, and you head away for lunch or snack, whatever it is. And after eating, maybe you need just a small break, because of course you cannot work immediately after eating, right? So on and so forth, things happen, and before you know it, it's already too late for the day, and the depressing vibes start to kick in again. You just realize that you barely did anything and probably just completely wasted the whole day. You start having thoughts like, I'm not worth anything, I don't deserve it, and all those crazy things which you probably won't even say for the person that you absolutely hate. A few moments pass by, all of this continues, and now you are completely determined that you'll start tomorrow and just conquer the whole world as soon as you wake up. But again, the sad part is, deep down, even you know that the same events are gonna repeat tomorrow, and guess what? It actually does. And now, being in this situation for some time, this awful loop, the downward spiral, you've probably somewhere in your heart started to accept completely ridiculous things like, this is me, I'm worthless, I can't do anything, I won't be able to do anything, I do not have any willpower, and all those stupid things. Yet again, you try, and again you fail. Slowly and eventually starting to believe all the crazy, unrealistic, and stupid things that you have just made up about yourself. I'm pretty sure, but I really hope not. A lot of you might be able to relate to this, especially for 2020 or during this pandemic going on. And no, don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to just hang in there, things will get better soon. Just have faith and keep going, it will all get better, etc. etc. Because hey, who are we kidding? I myself come across all of these things all the time, but it has barely helped me in any way, if at all. If you have been following me for all this time or watch my videos, you'll probably know that my aim here is not to get famous and rich. My main aim here through this channel or in general is to let people know that they are not alone, that they are far from alone. Let that be for finding bugs or bounties or motivation or anything at all. I'm not here to tell you that you are better than this and you will just hack the planet tomorrow or whatever it is, because for a fact you probably know everything. Because the first part here is not just being unaware of everything, but the first part actually is being aware of everything and not being able to do anything regardless of that. So let's just try to logically and rationally analyze this issue with a calm mind and see what we can maybe do about it or come to whatever the conclusion might be. So before anything, let me just state some facts and sort of universal truths which probably no one can deny, and then we'll move ahead from there. Lately, times have been really hard, not only for you but for everyone. 2020 was, let's just say, a very weird year. People are different, everyone is different. People have different strengths, different weaknesses, different mindsets, different physical appearances, different mentalities, and just people are different overall. Nothing is as easy as it seems. No one talks about their failures because, frankly, nobody cares about your failures. And finally, everyone has the same 24 hours. Now, with that said, let's try to look at the most fundamental issue or the root cause of everything. According to me, of course, comparing yourself to others. They are working 10 hours a day, I should too. They are not resting, I should not. They are doing XYZ, I should too. Now, as long as it works, it will be great and it works wonders. But as soon as it starts to slow down, and trust me, it will, your mind will be back again with the I am worthless thoughts. As I said, everyone is different and everyone has different ways to function and react. For example, let's say you are at a restaurant. You have had a good heavy breakfast and now you are full. But the guy across your table came before you and is still eating. Do you ever think like, he's eating, I should eat as well? He's not stopping to eat, why should I stop? Let me start eating again. You don't, right? Why? Because you know your capacity and you're full now. And thus, you won't even try to eat anymore at this point. In fact, even if someone comes to you and tells you to do it, you'll probably declare them as crazy and tell them to shoo away. We all have different approaches and mindsets. If someone can stick their ass at one place and work for 10 hours, does not mean that you have to. If someone can sit within four walls and keep working, does not mean that you'll have to force yourself at it too. If someone doesn't need a break, does not mean that you should not have one too. Personally, for me, I can't stay at home, keep working and stay sane at the same time, because that's not how I function. I need to get away for some time, maybe just to reset, or I can work but from a different place, because I haven't been at the same place, even at my home, for I don't know, maybe around more than 7 years. And I'm sure a lot of you are in the same position right now. Because of this and comparing myself with completely different people, I end up forcing myself to constantly keep working without taking long enough breaks, which eventually leads to me feeling very low and of course not being able to do whatever I was forcing myself to do. Let that be bug bounties or making YouTube videos or just anything at all. So ultimately what happens is you're neither able to work or do the thing or accomplish the thing which you are forcing yourself to do, and not just relax peacefully for some time and try to figure out a way to cope up with the situation. All of this leads to what? Stress and frustration, which after everything we have discussed seems completely illogical, right? But after all, we are just humans and humans are stupid. We usually try to find ways to undermine ourselves. We overthink the hell out of things and just eventually end up treating our own self in a way that we probably might not even treat our enemies or the person that you absolutely hate. And don't get me wrong, I understand that you are very free right now and maybe you'll never get such time ever again, and you just want to use it completely. You just want to be as productive as possible. I get it and I agree. Trust me, I want the same as well. But in the process, forcing yourself, you just end up doing more damage than good, and that is not okay. If you start to feel like you have to do it forcefully, take a step back, calm down, and just take a break. And again, this is another stupid thing which I have seen a lot of people doing. Do not define the break by the number of hours or days. Hold back until you feel mentally okay, stable, and you just feel like you want to do that thing and not just you have to do that thing. And trust me, eventually you'll get a feeling of actually wanting to do that thing, and you won't require yourself to forcefully do that thing. And if there's no feeling of wanting to do it, then maybe it's time to reconsider doing it altogether. Let that be bug bounties or infosec or anything that you're trying out at. And it sure as hell might seem like you're wasting your time and you instead might be doing that particular thing itself right now. Trust me, you're not. Because even if you try to forcefully do that thing, it will just be in a half-ass manner, and you neither will be able to focus on that thing completely, and nor you will be able to let yourself relax and recharge. By just taking a step back and maybe staying away from computers or something different than whatever you are trying to do, you'll have a much clearer perspective on things, and you come back much stronger and have an overall positive attitude and mindset towards achieving that thing. I can probably keep talking about this all day, but I guess I have made my point here. And of course, if you want me to talk more on this, hit me up in the comments below and I'll come up with a follow-up video for sure. And I know I haven't posted anything in a very long time, or maybe you expected a technical video instead of this one, but as I said, I do not want to forcefully do something and just half-heartedly make a video or do anything just for the sake of it. Everything I've shared on this channel is something I either personally do or it is something that personally face, have overcome, or am going through. And thus, as I always say, you are not alone. We are in this together. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for sticking around for so long, having faith in me, liking my content, and just being there. You have no idea how much it means to me. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me throughout. Okay, now getting back to the topic. Finally, if you have made this far through the video, you already know what's wrong and you are actually willing to act on it and try to do something about it. And honestly, that is all that matters. If you are a pizza, just try to be a slightly better tasteful pizza. Don't try to be a burger. That's the only point I wanted to make through this video. And most importantly, how much ever you want to deny, this right now is the most competitive time ever. But among all this race and competition going everywhere around, don't forget to actually live and breathe. Because if you aren't able to do that, is everything else even worth it? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay sane, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.